Hi, my name is Mick Harris, and I'm an attorney in Tonkon Torp's Real Estate and Land Use Practice Group. Today, I'm going to discuss a facet of Oregon's residential landlord-tenant law, specifically the termination of residential tenancies. In 2018, the Oregon legislature passed sweeping legislation in the form of Senate Bill 608. In addition to creating the nation's first statewide rent control measure, Senate Bill 608 did away with no-cause terminations after the first year of occupancy and implemented a complex framework to govern the rules of landlords and tenants. The first thing to be aware of is that a landlord may always terminate a tenancy for cause. If a tenant breaches a material term of a rental agreement, fails to pay rent, or otherwise breaches a statutorily required tenant duty, a landlord has the right to terminate for cause as long as they provide the tenant with proper notice. However, after the first year of occupancy, a landlord may not terminate a tenancy without cause, except in a few specific circumstances. First, if the landlord intends to demolish the dwelling unit within a reasonable time. Second, if the landlord intends to convert the unit to a use other than residential within a reasonable time. Third, if the landlord intends to undertake repairs or renovations to the dwelling unit within a reasonable time, and those repairs or renovations will render the premises unsafe or unfit for occupancy. Fourth, if the landlord has accepted an offer to sell the dwelling unit, and the buyer intends in good faith to occupy the unit as the buyer's primary residence. And fifth, if the landlord or a member of the landlord's immediate family intends to occupy the unit as a primary residence, and the landlord does not own a unit in the same building that is available for occupancy at the same time that the tenant receives notice of termination. While I hope this has served as a brief and informative overview of this facet of Oregon's residential landlord-tenant law, there are many factors that could influence this analysis. If you have any questions about this or any other issues, please reach out to us here at Tonkon Torp, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.